and today I am recording for you our beginner's solo ballroom, and it's Ballroom Tango, and this is routine number 2. So this was actually taught in a full 1-hour class on Monday the 31st of August 2020. So if you're looking for that in the solo ballroom, it's in the class, but this is a short recap, and I will dance it with the music afterwards. So I face the front. The first section we were walking, sitting down, right foot first, slow, slow, quick, quick. There's small steps on the quick, quick. Back, back, quick, quick. So on step number 3 I'm closing, step number 4 I'm transferring the weight. It's only really the 2 walks at the beginning. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Section 2, side step for slow and a quick, quick on a close. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Remember when we travel sideways, we slide with the inside of the foot slightly turned towards the floor, and then quick, quick, slide, quick, quick. Then we did a ladies timing reverse turn, and it was a closed turn. So if we were dancing with a partner, the man would have blocked our position. Obviously we're dancing on our own, but it's about turning to the left, and I'll do about 270 degrees by the time this is finished. So right foot first, back, back again, but pivot 180 and close. And then the next one is forwards, side, cross. I went off the camera a little bit, I'll move forwards. So back, back, but pivot and close the right. Forwards on the left, side on the right, but another 90-degree turn, roughly, and a little cross in front. So I've actually done 270 degrees. We'll do that again. Quick, quick, close, quick, quick, cross. We then had 4 slow rocks. So I removed the back foot, slid it out, separate, and rock, and rock, and rock. And I used the 4 slows to continue that last 90 degrees of the 360, so that by the time you add the reverse turn and the rocks together, I've come all the way back to the front. So those 2 together, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, cross, rock, 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 and rock, leaving the feet open. Let's do all of those sections together from the top. Here we go. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, to the side, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow. So that's our first 3 sections. Now, the next section was a progressive link to a promenade close, and this is exactly how it would be danced on ladies timing in the partner work. So this is an exact figure. My foot was hanging out at the back, ball of the foot or sort of the big toe. I'm going to use that, just put a little bit further backwards, not too far, quick. This one comes in and goes slightly to the side, so it goes past, slightly to the side, quick. So that's a quick, quick, there's your link. Promenade position, walk, walk, side, close. So the promenade link timing, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Same as the reverse turn. So the reverse turn, quick, quick, slow, 4 slows for the rock turn, and then quick, quick, slow again for the promenade link and the close. Okay, so again, let's add all of that in together from the top. 5, 6, 7, and walk, walk, close, walk, walk, quick, quick, walk, walk, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. The next section was a completely choreographed section specifically for this routine. So within our ballroom tango, we have our set figures, which are completely standard, danced all over the world and have their names, quicks and slows associated with that, and every dance teacher teaches you the same. Then we have the choreography section, so taking elements of points and flicks, some little rondes and things like that. It was just a small section, so let me show you. Okay, we were going to go back on the right and point out on the left. We're then going to pivot on that right foot, bring the left foot through and step through. I then swivel in, a little bit like an ocho, through, swivel, step and point. So there's a step point at either end and the 2 step swivels in the middle, okay? Timing's going to be quick, quick on the step points and slows on the step swivel, okay? So it's going to look like this. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. Now remember, I'm dragging this foot in, so as I do those ochos, I go through, collect, but the foot I'm collecting on, there's no weight, it just slides on through and goes for the through step, okay? Step, through, step, through. So it comes in alongside, I do it forwards, step, swivel. I'm pivoting on the right foot. The left foot has no weight on it, it's just swiveling in and collecting by the side. However, we're not always perfectly on balance, so if you do need to put a tiny little bit of weight on the ball of the foot just to steady yourself on the way through, of course that's fine, we're just practicing at home, okay? But essentially it's a little ocho. Let's do that section on its own. So we've got quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. Adding on, just to finish this section off, 2 small little rondes. Now the foot is inverted. I'm using this swooshing motion, and again, and then collection. Okay, it's a little nod to our Argentine tango. Okay, so we go around and around, collect, little Spanish drag to finish. So this is very close to the actual steps we would do with our partner on the Spanish drag. I get a side step, I get a lean of the body, I drag the left foot in, it stamps nice and close, and then I point the other foot out to promenade. And again, if we were dancing on, we would continue from a promenade position there, okay? But we're not. So again, that artistic license. So I've gone slow, 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 and slow. And then we'll restart the routine. So let's put the whole thing together with the counts. Very, very top. 5, 6, 7, and slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, side, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 and slow. Don't worry too much about the timing, it's going to go with the music in a minute. Now, we added in some head and some arm, okay? So I started off holding my arms as though I was leading, then I changed to be following, and then there's some left and right with the head. So on this time through, try not to look at my feet too much, try and look at the head and the arms and see if you could add them in. If not, just at least hold a ballroom hold in either a leader or follower position, maybe changing that halfway through so your arms don't get achy in the middle. So here we go. We're going to go as a man first. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, change though. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slide, quick, quick, slide, quick, quick, slow, sorry, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 promenade link, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, close, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, round and round, here, lean, come in, hidden promenade. Okay, so the music that we used in the class is in the playlists. So if you look on the members page, you've got the playlist. If you look on the current courses page, if you're on the ballroom course, there is a tango playlist, and about halfway down, this song is called Danza Tango, and it is by the artist Novag, okay, and DJ Arne Afro. That's a big word. It's about halfway down. It's called Danza Tango, and it's 31 beats per minute. Here we go. In this direction. 5, 6, 7. This way to the camera. And slow. I slightly ran out of music. Now that was the Danza Tango at 31 beats per minute, so that was actually the track in the lesson that we used right at the end when we got up to speed. I did use a slower track when we were learning the routine, so I am just going to dance that for you once over. And that track here, another lovely track. El Concierto at 29 beats per minute, and it's actually the song just before the Danza Tango.